Next, we have the recognition of business partnership, the Symbol Training Institute. We'll let you do an introduction.
Sure.
First.
So we are very fortunate tonight to be able to recognize Symbol Training Institute as a business partner. We came to work with Symbol actually through the Addison Workforce Development Committee, which is a committee that Mayor Rienstra has put together at the Village to really address the workforce needs within the community and to help bring the schools, the businesses, and the Village and agencies together to be able to work together to meet, again, the needs of the local businesses, but also to help us prepare our students for the jobs that are waiting for them in the community, which there are tremendous opportunities. So we met first, actually, was your colleagues, really, you got involved afterwards, right? Once we had the agreement. But we were able to meet and see how we could partner with Symbol to be able to utilize their expertise and also their facilities in areas where we really can't provide on our campuses. We could never invest on our campuses in the manufacturing facilities that would be necessary to keep up with the industry. And so this has been a tremendous partnership. So I'm going to let you introduce yourself and talk a little bit about Symbol, and then I have a few other words to share.
All right. Thank you. My name is Edward Kogan. I'm the Director of Business Operations at Symbol Training Institute. And I'd like to thank everyone here, of course, the district, the board members, for recognizing this need and how to approach it. It's always been our goal ever since we started back in 2005 to help young adults transition into careers that didn't necessarily require long education, expensive education. A lot of people don't know about these opportunities, and it's really instrumental that this community took it upon itself to look for ways to really help the youth. We're hoping this is just the beginning locally. This is our second year already going through this program. A little over 20 students went through it. We're in May. We're graduating another cohort, I believe, of 10, 11 students. And we already have a couple of them working in the field for basically after high school. They went through the 4-month program, and now they're working full-time. One is at Rexnord in Downers Grove. He has a career. After just 4 months after high school, he has already a career with incentives, with benefits. He can support his family right off the bat with no debt further. We would also have to thank WIOA, the DuPage County WIOA funders, because of course many of the students are funded through, after they go through the initial program that the board funds, then they go on to get WIOA funding from the county. So it's everybody's involved, and thank you everyone very much.
Oh, absolutely. I'll just read a few things just to kind of build on what you shared, but what the kind of work that we're doing together and that you're doing in the community. Symbol is truly at the forefront of the manufacturing industry through implementing innovative programming and training for students and adults. They are constantly thinking outside the box and are always willing to collaborate, not only with our district, but with the community as a whole. They offer and participate in job fairs. They welcome our students for site visits and field trips. They open their doors to provide work-based learning experiences for our students through hosting our CNC Manufacturing Fundamentals course, and they help our students pursue employment in the field. They are also members of the Village of Addison's Workforce Development Committee with us, and focus of that group is twofold: to collaborate to provide opportunities to train students and adults for jobs available in the area, as well as offer programs such as internships and job shadowing, and develop a directory of local businesses, including contact information, open positions, and skills employees need to have. So as you can see, this has been a tremendous partnership. We really appreciate the problem solving that we had to do together to make some of this work. It's not easy to get some of these things launched. I appreciate Ms. Sagalis worked quite a bit together with Mr. Cogan to really kind of work through the barriers to getting kids to be able to access the facility. But as you can see, it's been a tremendous opportunity for, it's not for every student, but we have for a small group of students that this was a really tremendous opportunity. So we really look forward to expanding and seeing what we can do together in the future. So thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
So on behalf of Board of Education, we have this plaque declaring as one of District 88's business person. So thank you very much
Thank
for
you very
everything.
much. I appreciate it. Thank you.